Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at this cool docking station that was sent to me. The compact size makes it super convenient to take it with you wherever you go. It has USB 100 PD charging for fast charging. There are multiple other convenient ports: 4K HDMI, SD, microSD slots, 3.5mm audio jack, USB-A, and USB-C. Now check out all the adjustable angle it can do. By the way, this docking station is made with aluminum, and even though it is lightweight, it is surprisingly sturdy. Not only does this boost my productivity, but it also eliminates the hassle of dealing with too many cords or clutter. Plus, it makes everything a lot neater and tidier.